2 days ago, I ordered a package and it arrived yesterday, but then the store it came to was closed. So I'm going to unpack it now. I got it especially for our upcoming Orlando trip, so it's easier to vlog. So I don't have to take an expensive camera with me. Made for iPhone and iPod. Oh, I didn't know they still made them. I have read an article a while ago that they were going to stop the distribution of iPods. So I feel like everyone uses it on their iPhone. And look at that. The Rode Vlogger Kit, iOS edition. You have a USB-C, a Universal edition, and the iOS edition. Mobile filmmaking kit for iOS devices. Okay, so I just moved outside, as you can see. Beautiful, well, this is a cockatoo, I think. I'm not a professional vlogger, definitely not when it comes to tech, so there will probably be better videos, but I just wanted to show you what I got for the Rode Vlogger Kit. So as you can see, mobile filmmaking kit for iOS devices, mobile filmmaking, professional quality, and directional sound pickup. So as you can see, there's a camera, there's a little extra lens for more light, and there's a microphone, and then we have the back of the, and as you can see, this is all included. Colored filters for your micro LED on camera light. You have the windshield to put over your microphone, and then obviously the tripod and the smart grip. Let's see what it says. Using your iPhone connects directly to your device. As you can see, it connects directly into your iPhone or iPod or even tablet, I think. Micro LED light offers 60 minutes operation on a single charge. So yeah, I guess that USB-C cable is for the microphone. All your shots are perfectly lit. Okay, let's see what's on the side. No, nothing special. Okay, well, I think it's time to open the box. Just to be clear, guys, mobile phone not included, as it says on the box. Oh, I like this. Thank you, baby. That's exactly the same information. Nee, ik ga direct eten. Stop it. So I took the liberty to unpack everything, and this is what's inside the box. I think this we can all throw away. I do not eat, but it's in there, so. We have a iOS Vlogger Kit quick start guide. Boxing it, but just a quick update. I just turned this on, and this, see, this is Elise Bright, and it's very, very bright. So I don't think I'm going to use it much because it nearly blinded both of us. So that is very, very bright. I think it might be easier with the lenses over it. And this is how you turn it off. Just to register your product for warranty, please use the serial number below, and there's a serial number. This is a tripod right here. It extends all the way like this. And then here, as you can see, is for your phone. I'll put it like that. And then we have the light, which again is very bright. And then just click this on there. And then I'll give the blue one a try because the rest is way too bright. Oh, that's difficult. Maybe my fingers are sticky enough. Well, not sticky. That's not how it's supposed to be done. Just do it like this. Emma had it the first time. USB-C cable is to charge your light. So it took me about 2 minutes. It took Emma about 5 seconds. Just a heads up, I don't know if you can see, not really, but it already scratched a bit, as you can see from dropping it. So the quality is not that good. So let's see how we put it on here. Yeah, that's still way too bright. Oh, no. Well, in my opinion, the light is a little bit too bright, so I don't think I'll be using it much. Yes, thank you. Okay, so it took a while for me to be able to put it on there. You just have to press a little harder. And also, you cannot use it with your Apple case or an iPhone case. That's a little bit the downside, I guess, whenever your phone is on a tripod for scratching. We'll see, but you can't use it just like this. Whenever you plug it on, as you can see, unlock iPhone to use accessories. By the way, these are all the colored filters. You have white, you have red. This is like an orange, blue. You have dark and light green. This is a darker red. I'd say this is more like orange, peachy. And this is yellow. So it's pretty bright. It looks actually really good, but it's super bright. Like this is better. But the quality is way better. I'm surprised because it does film in 4K when it's turned around, but when it's selfie mode, the quality is actually really bad. It's way better now, but it's super bright. It's too bright. Like 20 seconds and I'm out. Okay, still no microphone, but I'm gonna try it with the white colored filter right now. By the way, I got it on now. The first try, I didn't need any help with Emma. Thank you, by the way. I don't know if you see anything in the quality of the video, but for my eyes, it's way better. It's still pretty bright, but if like right now I'm looking at my phone, I'm not looking, now I'm looking at the camera, now I'm looking at my phone, and it's way better actually. I was worried you were gonna see too much pimples or like my mustache. You see my mustache from here?
Oh, from here, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Sorry. Okay, thanks to Emma, I now got a hold of how to put the filters in. This is with blue. It actually looks, it doesn't look too blue. Looks good, doesn't it?
Looks like just cool toned. It's nice.
It's cool, yeah. It's more cool, yeah. I should have done my makeup though on my hair. No? By the way, I want to show you, this is the brightest. As you can see, I'll turn it off. Number 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Yeah. Second brightness. Oh. Oh, this kind of looks like, well, anyways, this is the brightest red. There's like orange, peachy, and this is red. No, unless you're, I shouldn't say this often. Unless you're,
genre?
Yeah, this is not OnlyFans, so no. This is not too bad. It's a bit yellowy, bit yellow, but it's okay. It's brighter though than the actual white, I feel, in your eyes. And for the last color, I decided to go with the darkest shade of green, and it's pretty green. It's pretty bright in your eyes, so no. I think my favorite so far is just the regular white and blue.
That looks like Shrek.
This looks like Shrek.
Yeah.
Well, you look like Fiona, so.
Thanks, Fiona's a princess. She's good.
She's a princess.
Yeah.
Test 1, 2, test. So, no light and just the camera, not the windshield. By the way, the sun just went out, went behind the clouds. That's why it's so dark. And now it's, look at that, it's brighter again. But anyways, test 1, 2, test. Let's see. It covers half of my screen, but this is, well, I'm inside, by the way. I think you noticed that. I don't think the windshield is of much use, but this is the microphone with the windshield. I will be going outside now to try the regular sound, without the microphone, with the microphone, and with the windshield. Okay, so this is what we got. I'm sorry for my phone. It's a bit dirty, I know, but here we go. I do have to say it's really heavy. But yeah, this is what it looks like. As I said before, the light is very bright. This is what it looks like with the microphone on. I will show you now what it looks like with the fluffy thing, the windshield. In my opinion, it's a bit much. If I'm gonna use it, for example, when I'm at the beach and it's very windy, I will, but it's a bit much and it covers like half of your screen. So whenever you're filming, you can't even see yourself or what you're filming. As I've said before, you can't use it with a case, but basically this is what it looks like. whenever you want to take your phone out, it's not as handy. You can't just take it out. You have to unscrew everything. But it's really easy to set up. You just screw the bolts and that's it. But as you can see, personally, I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max with the space gray that I have. No, it's not space gray anymore, is it? Well, with the color that I have, I do have to say it looks amazing. So this is basically what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty professional. So as you can see, it's a bit much. Whenever you're filming, you can still see, just not the button there. But I mean, it's a bit much, but if seen reviews, and it does really help. I'll show what it looks like whenever you're filming yourself. It's in selfie mode. So yeah, you can still see yourself, but it gets a little bit in the way, but it's not too bad. I'm really happy with this. It looks professional. It's better than taking a way too expensive camera with me everywhere. I will go for a walk later, and I will take this with me and film with it and see what it looks like with the light. It's probably still too bright, but I'll use it tonight. I will see what it looks like with the microphone, without, with the windshield, without. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and okay, so I'm right outside my house right now. I have not been outside today yet. So I thought I would take my road vlog kit with me. It's a little bit windy today, so I do have the microphone and the windshield with me as well. So I'm gonna take the vlog kit with me, and I'm just gonna go for a walk, get some ice cream, and film and see how the quality of the sound is. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys have an Apple Wallet or something like that, you can still use it, or maybe even a battery, like a MagSafe battery from Apple, so it still works. Okay, here we are with the microphone and the windy weather. Well, it's not exactly Windy City, is it?
No. I'm regretting not bringing sunglasses.
You didn't bring sunglasses.
No, I didn't.
You should have.
Yeah, I know.
My €3 sunglasses are definitely helping. Okay, so this is the ultimate test. This is what it sounds like with the microphone and with the windshield. And this is what it sounds like without the windshield, but with the microphone attached to my iPhone. And this is what it sounds like. Cut. And this is what it sounds like without the microphone and without the windshield. Just my iPhone.